The Kitchen is a European restaurant located in Tbilisi, Georgia, at 14 Nikoladze Street. It is open for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and brunch. The restaurant has a cozy and inviting atmosphere, with a focus on fresh, seasonal ingredients. The Kitchen offers a wide variety of dishes, including salads, soups, appetizers, main courses, and desserts. Some of the most popular items on the menu include the grilled octopus salad, the Georgian-style beef soup, the khachapuri, and the chocolate lava cake. The Kitchen also has a good selection of wines, both Georgian and international. The staff is knowledgeable and friendly, and is happy to help you choose the perfect wine to pair with your meal. The Kitchen is a popular spot for both locals and tourists alike. It is known for its excellent food, friendly service, and reasonable prices. Overall, the Kitchen is a highly rated restaurant with a wide variety of dishes to choose from. It is a good option for both locals and tourists alike.